tutorial on using the My Contacts on ResellerBin. Let us learn how to use these features to connect and create meaningful business relationships. When you log in to the ResellerBin website, you will be shown the dashboard screen. Move your mouse over the menu panel on the left to expand it. The menu panel will expand to show you the names of the different menu items. From the menu panel, click the menu item, Search. You can type a name inside the search box, and if a member of the portal, we would show you all the employees they have and their positions in the company. Also, you can narrow down to the companies that serve your requirement by searching for them based on the category, region, country, and the state. All you need to do is to click on the button and add them to your network. Move your mouse over the menu panel on the left to expand it. The menu panel will expand to show you the names of the different menu items. Now, at this page, you will be able to access all the people who you wish to add to your My Contact group.